siya na agad. Mga mata nag-iinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may bang. Pero kahit nag-aasaran, teamwork pa rin ang laman. Ang ingay sa gilid, tawanan sabay taray. Minsan may konting drama, pero walang bitawan. One team, one fight, kahit may salitang masakit. Sa dulo ng araw, kami pa rin ang solid. Valentong GB, GB lang, GB lang, GB lang. Bawal lang seryoso, GB lang, good vibes lang. Mga players na maldita pero nakakaalo talaga.
Loses the match, they will be automatically hailed as the second runner-up for this edition. Sasakyan para po makalabas ang inyong kasunod. And we are now back to the match. Service ace agad-agad by jersey number 8, Aura Vergara. Our score, all one. Genesis Libido, jersey number 21 on the service deck. Visit ni Aura. Martha sends kay Cisnero ang successful point, the jersey number 5. Our official score is 2-1. Service by jersey number 12. Visit ni Izon. Reds is set sa open. Ganon na, pero it's a successful point for jersey number 24. Service by jersey number 8, Tony Labrusca. Okay, let's see. Over! Simple volleyball by jersey number 5, Cisnero. Our official score, all 2. Service by jersey number 5. Receiving Kirk, Genesis in sa open, side Tolentino outside. At kailangan din manalo ng team Alagang Champ for them to extend their stay and have a chance of championship. Our official score. In over, ni-receive, set sa 4, pinangat ni Kirk. Wow! Puto with a twist. Served by Kirk Paglione. Our official score is 6. Adamson, Falcons. Drop ball, successful point. Official score 7-3. Nireceive ni Renz. Side Tolentino in over. Martha set kay Kath. Kath, no blocker, successful and easy point for jersey number 7. 5-point. Molly Garante on the service line. Nireceive ni Tony Angat. This is set kay Kirk. Kirk din drop ball. Ang tawag ng ating official referee ay net violation committed by jersey number 7. Jersey number 24, Ken Dizon on the service deck. Receive. Set sa open. Aura atake ng ating Genesis. Oops! Still playable. Inangat. Set sa open. Aura again. Inangat. Open. Aura again. Inangat ni Reds. Sa in-over. Outside. Position for Team Candy. Jersey number 31. Okay. No substitution for Team Candy. Still same players. Oops. Set Aura sa open, no blockers. Aura sa open, no blockers. Sinakamikan Dizon. Molly Grande, kinuha. Aura again. Cross court. Net violation committed by jersey number 28. Sayo. 6-point advantage for Team Alagang Inchang Timog Branch. Nireceive ni Ken Dizon. Bola sa 4, in-over angat. Marsa sa likod, inangat ni Reds, Genesis and set. Tony Nabruska, in-over angat. Isiset kay Kat, Kathribo din Rumble, easy point for jersey number 7. Mr. C by jersey number 24 and a servicing is by Adger. Kailangan makahabol ng Team Candy or else they will lose their chance for a championship appearance. Ayan, ref, they will lose their chance for a... Hindi raw niya sinasadya. Sorry naman niya. Ano to? 15 violation committed by jersey number 8.
Nag-uusap pa kayo ha?
O, babawi si Tony Labrusco. O, babawi si Tony Labrusco. O, babawi si Tony Labrusco. Kailangan ni Molly. Point by jersey number 7, Kaf. 10-point lead for Team Alagang Inchang. At kung hindi malalapit ng Team Candy ang kanilang point, they will lose their chance for a championship appearance. And having said that, 11-point lead for Team Alagang Inchang. Official score, 15-4. Kurt, receive. Genesis in-over, inangat. Set, inangat. Inangat. Inangat ni Genesis. Kenny in-over ng dalawa. Still playable. Martha in-over sa likod. Genesis. Nice save by jersey number 21. Official score 15-5. Service by Paula, jersey number 31. Receive. Kurt, angat. Paula is set kay Light. Light. Molly, angat. Net violation committed by jersey number 7, Kathleen. Official score 15-6. Still taking in charge of the match ang Team Alagang Inchang Timog Branch. In-over, nireceive ni Paula. Genesis sets sa press. Blind din Rumble sa likod. Successful point for jersey number 3, Blind Charming. Official score 15-7. Team Candy is slowly picking up for this match. Inangat ni Molly. Aura, i-over, in-over, inangat ni Paula. Blind Charming again. Another point. Like Charming again. Another point. The sport machine of Team Candy. Charming is still by Paula. Mr. Seal committed by Aura. And a services by jersey number 31. Propin lang hinahabol ng Team Candy. Our official score 15-9. Known one in cash and back. Service by jersey number 7. Paula, nireceive. Genesis is set. Kirk aatake, angat. Renz, you over. Blind shining again! You over. Blind shining again! Kumakaya na sa lahat. Charming our official score, 16-10. Kirk Popiolet on the service deck. Receive. Is set ni Martha. Aura attacking. Black ball. And another drop for Genesis Radio. 5 points na lang. Hinahabol ng team. Candy. Service still by jersey number 20. Kirk Popiolet. From the stage to the court. Let's see, with a twist pa yan, ha? Okay. Up with a twist again. Blind Charming sa likod. Another point. By the scoring machine of Team Candy. From having an 11-point advantage. Service by Kirk Popiolet jersey number 20 with a twist. Or with a turn, rather. Inangat ni Ate Lai, Genesis. That's my car, solid block by jersey number 5. Service by Aura Brigela. I'm so sorry, that's not over. Committed by Jersey Chang. Service by jersey number 21, Genesis Regido. Former player of UST men's volleyball team. Okay. Point by jersey number 5. Releasing the Kirk. Live Martha. Joshua Cisnero attacking. Successful attack by jersey number 5. Back to 6-point lead. 1 point at a time. Let's see. Still playable. Blind yung over sa likod. Inakat ni Kath. Inakat ni Genesis. Kelvizon. Lifting violation ang tawag sa ating obligation referee. Service by Martha. Nilisip ni Paula. Red si set kay Blind. Ano ang tawag? Net violation committed by jersey number 5. Service by Blind, inangat. Set sa 3. The drop ball, successful drop by jersey number 5. Hanggang Inchang. Nilisip ni Kirk. Genesis set kay Red. Melgara atake. Set kay Red. Melgara atake. Angat ni Aura. Aura yung over. Inangat ni Blind. Genesis set sa 4 ulit. Red. Still playable. Walang tawag ng referee. Successful point. Net violation committed daw by jersey number 8. Service by jersey number 5. Overcooks that one. Official score 22-15. Nag-ikot for Team Candy. Let's see how it will go. Bowling Grande attacking ng Atleti Reds. Paula attacking over. Free ball for jersey number 7, Kath Ribo. Score, official score 23-15. Inisip ni Renz. Genesis at kay Paula. Paula, atake, angat. Solman again. Solman again. Solman again by Kath Ribo. It's always a 3-point for Kath sa paglalagay sa Solman. Last one na. Wait for the whistle. Our official score is 24-15. Service by Molly Grande. Inisip ni Blight. Kirks from the open. Nakati-aura. Kirks from the open. Nakati-aura. Kirk again. Genesis kay Kirk. Tulong. Nagawa ng paraan. Pero net violation committed by Kirk Papiole. Congratulations to Team Alaga ng Limang Branch. Let's see later on sa ating combination and calculation who will advance to the championship match.
Valentong, GB lang, GB lang, GB lang.